Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. We click on settings. So here in this first page we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Quizlet app. And we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. In this page we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.